I'm Megan Edwards for InvestmentPitch.com. The Keg Royalties Income Fund was recently the subject of a StockPotentials report by Toronto-based eResearch Corporation. StockPotentials reports cover smaller companies that eResearch believes would be primarily of interest to retail investors. Keg Royalties trades on the Toronto Stock Exchange under the symbol KEG.UN. Keg Royalties is a limited-purpose, open-ended trust which indirectly owns the Keg trademarks and other intellectual properties related to operating Keg restaurants. Keg Royalties has licensed Keg restaurants these rights for a period of 99 years from May 31, 2002. The fund receives its income from two sources, an interest of 7.5% per annum on a $57 million loan to Keg restaurants, which is paid monthly to the fund, and a royalty of 4% on gross sales of Keg restaurants in the royalty pool. This total income, less some relatively minor administrative costs, is then distributed to the unit holders of the fund. The Keg Restaurants chain consists of 102 restaurants, 86 in Canada and 16 in the United States. The company owns and operates 33 of the Canadian restaurants and all 16 of the U.S. units. The remaining 53 Canadian restaurants are independently owned and operated under franchise agreements. The operating company, Keg Restaurants, is an industry leader in the full-service restaurant category in Canada, with a recent study from Vision Critical, formerly Angus Reid, rating it as the first choice of more than 67% of Canadian diners when choosing a steak dinner. Keg Restaurants operate in a growing industry which has experienced continuous sales increases in Canada for the past 11 years and only one year-over-year sales decline in the U.S. in the same period. For 2011, system sales increased 2.6% to approximately $480.7 million, reflecting a 2.0% increase in corporate restaurant sales and a 3.1% gain by franchise units. Keg Royalties Income Fund is trading at $14.90 and with approximately 11 million units outstanding is capitalized at $170 million. eResearch believes the fund's units provide an attractive 6.4% yield based on the monthly distribution of 8 cents per unit. eResearch cautions the fund could be affected by competition from other restaurants, possible changes in consumer dining tastes, and a significant weakening in overall economic conditions. For more information about Keg Royalties, please visit their website at kegincomefund.com or call Investor Relations at 416-646-4960 or email info@kegincomefund.com. For a copy of eResearch's report, please visit their website at eResearch.ca. I'm Megan Edwards for InvestmentPitch.com. For more video news and a viewer disclaimer, be sure to visit our website at InvestmentPitch.com. This video is for information purposes only and is not a recommendation to buy or sell any securities.